Hi guys, I'm Lorna and I am here with my third stitch fix using Style Pass. It is moments like these that I am acutely aware of how poorly I'm capable of doing my own hair and makeup. Actually, I did my makeup okay today. My lighting isn't very good, but here we are. Gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, my third stitch fix using Style Pass. I didn't do a video of my second box that I got in October because I was not very into it. Didn't really like it at all. So I'm interested to see what they've sent this time. Wow. My lighting is just like heinously bad. Okay, I think that's a little better for my lighting. Ugh. Lipstick. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, where did my little... Okay. It looks like they sent me a sweater, two sweaters, one top, and 2 pairs of pants. So cool. Let's see what we've got. It all looks very fall oriented in terms of color scheme. Wow. Oh gosh. Sweater number 1. It's that really like soft, super stretchy. It's the same material that leopard print. No, it's not. I don't know. It's it feels like fleece. Okay. Here's the top. The back is really cute. Not sure about the front. It's got this pleat. It's got that seam down the front. I don't know. I don't really like sleeves like this. Makes it's one of those days, I guess. Oh, these are like, these are Under Armour. Whoa. These are Under Armour leggings. What? 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 Wait a minute. They threw in some fitness stuff. I've never gotten fitness stuff from Stitch Fix before. He sent me another pair of jeans. They look nice. They've got cuffs at the bottom. And the last sweater is this. It's gold. If you can see, that's gold. I really like that, but the sweater itself, it's, you know, it's not the soft kind of sweater. It's this might be really itchy kind of sweater. It's kind of like fuzzy, see? Acrylic, nylon, and polyester. Let's try some things on. My phone's doing that really dumb thing again where it doesn't want to stay like where the brightness like self-adjusts. It's really stupid and I'm sorry. What a stupid setting. Anyway, here's the sweater. Here's Bunny. He's a good kitty. Here are the jeans. They're fine. Everything about this is fine. I'm not going to keep this sweater. It's just, you know, it's got that super stretch. Woo! I just don't like it. I'd rather just have cotton. The jeans are fine. There's nothing wrong with them. I definitely need a belt They're just a little saggy. Keep them. I know that I would have to wear a belt. It's just the crotch is lower than I want it to be, but yeah, not keeping it. Okay, here's this sweater. Pretty straightforward. I said I was like, oh, it's gonna be itchy, it's gonna be weird. It is kind of a little itchy, but it's pretty flattering. I like the way it looks. Well, maybe I do keep this sweater. It's very festive. I like that. I don't have a lot of festive stuff. Anyway. Here are the Under Armour leggings and the top. I still just like really don't like these sleeves. I like the material. I really like how it looks in the back. It's a little short in length for me. I've got kind of a longer torso and I like my butt to be covered up just a little bit more. But I just really don't care for these sleeves. Here are the leggings. They're very thin. I don't know if I did Fabletics for a while, and those leggings are so thick. They are so thick. Oh, sick. Nice pocket right there. Today's the worst. Today's just the worst day. Can't get my light right. My phone is being stupid. Yeah, the leggings. They're really thin. Also, like, I'm not sure how well you can see this, but like, it's already sort of like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, there's not a good seam right here, and it's kind of like rolling. It's rolling down already, and maybe you can you kind of see that? Like, the way it's like rolling a little bit. I don't know. They make me feel good because they're definitely like holding things in, which is nice. I used to have a really good time putting these outfits together and trying to like imitate the outfits that they suggested and like how to wear the items that they send. And these days it's just like, just feels like so much work, and that makes me so unhappy because I love getting these clothes and I love sharing these videos and stuff, and I'm in a funk for sure. Anyway, these were the last items. I might keep these leggings. So guys, that was my November Stitch Fix using Style Pass. I don't think I'm going to get another one this month since I had 2 in October. Being at the middle of November now and everything. My son turned a year old last week. That was exciting and traumatizing. It says that these performance leggings are ankle crop. They are definitely full length on me. Not real excited about this fix. I was just sort of hoping I guess I was just hoping to be like wowed, because that first Style Pass box, 2 boxes ago, was so good. I had so much trouble like deciding what I wanted to keep, and then the last box was kind of meh, and this box is kind of meh. I just wish that like, okay, I'm still wearing the leggings, y'all, because I'm trying to do this before my kid wakes up from a nap. These jeans, actually I really kind of like them. They're comfortable. I'm going to see if they can replace one of the pairs of jeans that I have already. They're a good length. They're not too tight. Maybe I can make room for them in my closet. This, I really like that mottled kind of tie-dye look, but like I just hate this fabric. I hate it. I'm still deciding. I don't know. I wish we lived somewhere colder. That's not true. I wish that New Orleans just got colder. I want to live in New Orleans. I just wish it got colder here because I love cold weather stuff. And there's nothing wrong with this sweater. I like it. It's a little, I don't know, guys. I'm in a weird mood today. This shirt, I like it. I would have kept it had it not been for these sleeves. I just don't want it. It's okay for this shirt because it keeps them in place, It keeps them up around my elbow. That's fine. But this, I don't want that around my wrist. But this is the kind of material I like. It's nice, it's lightweight, flowy. You should still try Style Pass if you get the opportunity. I mean, there's no reason not to. Like, it's already paid for itself, essentially. I was just hoping for more diversity, or just, I don't know, just to be wowed. Anyway, I'm going to go and do some chores, I guess, or something while my child is asleep, while I still have that time. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving, and I will definitely see you before Christmas. And I cannot wait to see what my next box holds, even though this one wasn't that great. And you know how to find me on Instagram and Twitter, and please follow the page. I'm going to try and come up with some more fun things to do rather than just this all the time. I think it's just getting a little mundane, and I think we could maybe change things up a little bit. Anyway, I hope you guys had fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.